Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a couple essentials: your Android version and access to sound settings. Open Settings, then Sound and Vibration, or simply Sounds. Find the Touch Sounds toggle and turn it on. If the toggle isn't present, install a small sound picker app from Play Store, then grant any permission prompts. Once done, reboot or force stop settings so the system registers the change. This gets you to the first actionable step quickly and sets up for customizing the actual touch sound. You next customize the actual tone. Open the Sound Picker app and choose a short WAV or MP3. Aim for under 1 MB so latency stays low. Move the file into ringtones or an app-accessible folder and give the app media playback permission so Android can preview it. In Settings, select the new file as touch sound or use the app set as feature. Make sure to test taps. If latency occurs, pick a shorter file or lower bitrate to improve responsiveness. Finish by testing taps across the system. Home screen, keyboard, and app buttons should play the sound. If you hear nothing, check Do Not Disturb, system volume levels, and that the app has permission to modify system sounds. Once done, clear the Settings app cache or reboot the device. That often resolves registration problems. If issues persist, reinstall the Sound Picker app or try a different short audio file. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes silent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.